Hi, I'm Susan Westmoreland, Culinary Director at Good Housekeeping. If it involves food, it involves me. Over the years, we've topped green bean casseroles with about everything you can imagine. These are two of my hands-down favorites. Sometimes I like to lay them down on a board like this with all the stem ends in line and just go like that, straight across. Then I can just put one cut through and I'm done. Beans can be made up to 2 days ahead. Cool them completely, zip them, refrigerate them, and then just reheat them before you proceed. Sharp cheddar is the key to this delicious sauce. You want to add the shredded cheddar handful by handful, stirring between till it melts. We love Grafton Village and Cabot. Thanks for joining us. For more recipes, tricks, and tips, check us out on goodhousekeeping.com.